Hey everyone, it's Monica. Welcome back to Because Jesus Bible Journaling. I have a completely different kind of video for you today. I was approached by a company called Artza, and hopefully I'm saying that correctly. And Artza sends quarterly subscription boxes to people with goods from the Holy Land. And so they approached me, I think knowing that my audience has a connection with the Holy Land, has a connection with Jesus, and asked me if I would be willing to receive one of their boxes in the mail and share it with you guys. Now, they did promise a coupon code for people who are subscribed to my channel and viewing this video, and I will place that down in the description box below for you so that you can check it out. So as you can see, this is a beautiful cardboard box. I really like all of the graphics they have on it. These are hand-picked items all coming to you out of the Holy Land. And the first thing I wanted to mention is just the size of this box. So I got my ruler out and measured, and it is about 13 inches wide, 9 inches deep, and then 4 inches tall. So it is really a very large box, so large I was having trouble fitting it on the camera screen here. But it's a large box, it's heavy, and it's full of lots of goodies. The first thing here is a picture of Nazareth. Now, Nazareth is kind of the feature town or city of this box. This is box number 1 that they have ever sent out, so I feel really, really grateful that I get to preview this box with you guys. And then on the back of that beautiful picture, it has more beautiful pictures. It has a little letter to you about how they picked the items in the box and a little bit about Nazareth. And then down below it has a little section here where you can learn a few Hebrew words. And I thought that was kind of a nice little detail, a nice little touch. But isn't that gorgeous? We're not able to travel right now, you guys, but this is a fun way to get sort of a picture of what the Holy Land is like. Now, included in here as well, in this little cute sleeve, are some postcards, as well as some descriptive cards that we'll get to in a minute. So these postcards here, I was very confused by this one. It's actually meant to go sideways, but I was trying to view it from up and down. It's of an ancient Roman bath, and it's really special. This particular Roman bath may have actually been in use in the time of Jesus. This picture here is Mount Precipice, and this has to do with some other stories of Jesus, and there's a reference on the back of these postcards as well. They're gorgeous. Then there's this recipe card for shakshuka or shakshuka. I'm not sure how to pronounce it, but it sounds absolutely delicious. It sounds really similar to a different dish that I've made before, but it has all the recipe ingredients and directions on the back. Now, these are some of my favorite things that are included. These are cards that describe the artisans who have contributed items to this box. So this woman here has contributed some soap. This man here has contributed some spices to this box, and you're going to get to see those items in just a minute. But I just feel like this is such a personal touch. And coincidentally, this man's spices that he provided go with that recipe card for the shakshuka, which was just an amazing way to coordinate things. There's also some tea in this box, and this tells the story of David, the tea guy, and how he has interacted with the Holy Land. And then there's kind of a welcome card with this verse where they get their name Artza. Artza means toward the land. And so that comes from that verse in Genesis on the front of that card there. So very cool. I am just loving how the Word of God is incorporated into all these items and people's stories. So this is the tea that is in the box this quarter. It is 20 tea bags of shalva tea. It sounds delicious. It's an herbal tea. I'm excited to give that a try, especially once the weather cools down. Now this I was a little surprised by. It is actually a game. It is a Reveal Israel game meant to be played with a family or a group of people learning facts about the Holy Land. I thought that was very creative. And then inside we have this little container of spices, and this is the shakshuka blend that goes with that recipe card that came in the box. I'm so excited. I haven't opened this one yet, but I imagine it is going to smell so fragrant and just be so lovely, straight from Israel. And then this is an apple, pomegranate, and honey spread, also a product of Israel in here. This is so fun, you guys. I love being able to taste and smell and see items from the Holy Land. I have not yet had the privilege of traveling there myself, so this is quite a treat. Here is the organic handmade soap from the woman that was in the picture on that card. It is awesome. It just has all natural ingredients. I did a little off-camera sniff test. It is approved. It smells really, really delicious. And then this is incredible, you guys. This is an entire piece of art, fancy art, with a $20 off coupon for their website. The artist has offered that to us. And this is gorgeous. There's the dove with the olive branch, and it is kind of a three-dimensional, I'm having a hard time getting the camera to pick it up well, but it's kind of a three-dimensional, multi-layers painting and art piece of this dove of peace with the olive branch, Stars of David in the background. Just really gorgeous, very well packed in foam and this high quality cardboard box. That's one thing I do want to mention. These were packed so beautifully, but also so well that nothing in this whole box was damaged. I love that. There's this gorgeous made from wood cross there, which is just amazing. Such craftsmanship. And then this here is a product from a place called Susan's House, and that is in Jerusalem, and she is helping work with youth there. So all of these products are kind of products with a purpose, and I just love that. And this is going to hang on the wall in my art room for now. It is so gorgeous and beautiful, and I love the color. So as I'm going through this box, I do want to mention the title of this video was not deceptive. There is a giveaway. Watch to the end of the video and I will explain how you can enter to win 3 of the things in this box. Let's jump into just a quick overview of what was in the box. We have the 3-dimensional dove painting, the apple pomegranate honey spread, the shakshuka blend, the shalva tea, the game, the postcards, the handmade soap, the little heart hanging, the wooden cross, and then plus all these personal stories of people who go with these products, which I just thought was so, so cool. So you get a whole bunch in this box, along with that Artza welcome card, the shakshuka recipe card, all of the things. This is so much stuff. It is, I believe, a little over $60 each quarter. So you could decide to treat yourself once a year. You could decide to subscribe to the box every quarter. It's up to you. Let's talk about the giveaway. For this giveaway, it is going to be US only because I'm paying shipping out of pocket. Please be sure you're subscribed to this YouTube channel. Would you comment below with which of these 3 items you would like to win? If you want to leave a random comment, that's also welcome. Join Because Jesus Bible Journaling on Facebook and follow at Because Jesus Bible Journaling on Instagram. If you're not on Facebook or Instagram, don't sweat it. I'm just trying to grow our community and give this away to someone that's really participating and has been loving Because Jesus Bible Journaling from the beginning. Now, if you're not lucky enough to win one of those 3 items, and there will be 3 winners, please don't forget to check out the description box below. There will be a coupon code down there that they promised to me, and that will help out with the cost as well, should you want to try one of these boxes of your own. Overall, I'm so impressed with the quality of the items, and I was actually really surprised by the connection that I did feel with the Holy Land and with the Bible and with Jesus, just going through these things that have come from such a place as that, getting to interact with Jesus's journey and the Old Testament journey of God's followers. Just amazing. Check it out. Be sure you jump into the Word of God for yourself today. It is amazing.